Hello, my name is Sarah Connolly. During the year, I am a 6th and 7th grade English language arts teacher at Altaloma Middle School in South San Francisco. Currently, I am actually teaching in-person summer school through the Big Lift summer program. We call it BLISS, and I'm working as a 3rd grade literacy teacher. This upcoming year, I'll be teaching all 6th graders, and it'll be interesting to see how that happens. My purpose for taking this course is as an elective in the Master's in Curriculum and Instruction program for the fall, and I hope to graduate in spring. Regarding the quote of the week, a successful learner in an online environment is active and engaged in knowledge generation, collaboration, and process management. I believe that since we are engaging in the knowledge generation, we're the ones creating the knowledge, which I think is actually a pretty cool thing as a learner to be able to do in participating. Some goals for this class. My 3 goals are to better support my English learner students with language acquisition and also just being comfortable in the classroom. I'm not part of a dual language immersion program at the moment, but I know that helping them acquire the language so that they can equally have a grasp of both languages, both generally English and Spanish typically, is very important for them. I also hope to learn more how to use culture to enhance education. And I also hope to learn better how to incorporate online instruction and learning with English learners, because learning online can be very difficult, even with a grasp of the language. My 2 course objectives that I was looking at regarding our course, the first one stood out to me: participate in an online learning experience that provides opportunity to reflect and experience perspectives from various communities. I love learning about different perspectives. I think it's an opportunity to just sort of be open and to gain a different worldview, and I really appreciate those opportunities. Additionally, collaborating with colleagues to build an online community using respectful communication and reflect an awareness of self and others, along with an ability to convey ideas in a variety of contexts. So that's the 3rd objective. I think building an online community is really important. Reflecting helps build knowledge and helps us internalize it, but it's also really important because we're also social beings. We learn more when we're with other people than just by ourselves. So having that in an online community is crucial. And a little bit about me. Well, my background, my grandparents, Connolly is of course Irish. My grandmother, though, was Portuguese and French, so she actually came to this country only speaking Portuguese for the first couple years of her life and had to learn English. So I know that was definitely something that I think a lot of other people can relate to as well, is being able to learn a new language can be very difficult. And of course, my grandfather was Irish. My other set of grandparents were German and Austro-Hungarian, so I have that influence as well. Some things about me. I drew some pictures. The first one here on my left is of a book I love to read. I also play the piano, so I drew a little piano there. I've been taking lessons since I was probably 5 years old, and I began teaching when I was 15, so I've been teaching for over 10 years now. I also love to draw, as evidenced by this drawing here. I love to just do anything with arts and crafts, things like that. And I also love teaching. I love working with my students, and I also love being a learner as well. So very integrated in the learning process. I'm very much looking forward to the course, and thanks for listening.